To erase objects from photos in POCO M8 Pro 5G, we're going to start by opening Camera app on our device. Next step is to select the photo where you want to remove any objects on. For example, we're going to go for this white thing. So now click on the photo, go to this pen button, and here scroll to create. Select erase. Now for the first time it may download and then ask you to log into your Xiaomi account. When it's done, you should see something like this. Now it may automatically detect things on the screen that you can remove if you click on remove object. If not, then you will need to draw on the object that you want to remove. So we're gonna go and outline this entire object. I don't want to do that. Okay, you need to keep drawing until the things are selected properly. All right, so now we can click on the start, and that way all of the things that we've marked will be removed and replaced with the background. So let's wait a moment. And as you can see, it works kind of good. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing.